So quickly go through the questions. Better union is due. Why it is due? This. An amendment to the constitution for better union and state relations is due. Do you agree with this statement? On what grounds? There are areas where, strong unitary characteristics are there. Where there is a conflict, repugnancy, law will prevail. States have been relegated to a back seat on this, as far as lawmaking is concerned. Whereas states are in a better position to know in a federal structure the needs of the people, what laws they need. There may be local compulsion, वही जो मैंने पहले भी ये discussion किया. So we need to have a relook at this. What are these areas which are heavily tilted towards central laws? Then what about residuary powers? There may be situations in the state where, there is a need for a law, but it doesn't find place in any of the lists. Will they have to go to the center and beg for that, make a law for us? These are some of the areas which, so ये answer में लिखना है. You may not be agreeing with that, but yes, these are gray areas. These are difficult areas which need, it's not that you are totally saying, yes, amend the constitution. No. But these are areas which need attention. And that can be, cured by way of an amendment. और तो कोई रास्ता नहीं है. Substantiate your recommendation for amendment of specific provision of the constitution on this matter. So you will have to give reasons for that. And I think I have listed out the reasons also. ये बनेगा आपका आंसर इसके लिए. समझ आई? बना सकते हो, लिख सकते हो. स्टार्ट बड़ा अच्छा है, बिल्कुल. आप ये देखो कि you start with the present position. In the present position of separation of powers between union and the state, the laws to be made by the union parliament and the state legislature are governed by the three lists. Subjects under this where they have the exclusive power. 3B है ना, तो बड़ा क्वेश्चन आंसर है इसका. Then you write state, then you write concurrent, then you come to the conflicts and the gray areas. Start with that. Introduction. Introduction में क्या है कि आप बता रहे हो क्या कि ये है क्या, सिस्टम क्या है, अभी जो चल रहा है, इस सिस्टम में मुझे क्या लग रहा है कि क्या क्या इसमें gray areas. They are asking for your view, but don't write my view. Write the factual position. Don't ever write I think so. No, no. हमारे में दिमाग नहीं है इतना सोचने का. पार्लियामेंट वो लोग बैठे हैं सोचने के लिए. But yes, as a student we can point out that these are the areas which are there actually. हमारी अपनी imagination नहीं है. These are there in the constitution. In fact, in the case of conflict, which will prevail, in the case of repugnancy. So all these areas are tilting towards strong unitary features which are against the principles of federalism. If you don't want to use such a harsh word against, they are in conflict with the idea or the scheme of federalism. That needs to be either resolved or have a relook.
सर इसमें नहीं लिखी नहीं थी जो अभी है वो सही है, मतलब
भैया अभी सही है, लेकिन उस सही तो है, हम ये नहीं कह रहे गलत है, हम ये कह रहे हैं इसमें कैसे सुधार हो सकता है।
सुधार मतलब बताइए, कंक्लूजन में तो यही लिखते हैं।
कंक्लूजन में आप क्या डालोगे? दीज आर द एरियाज विच नीड टू बी रीलुक्ड बाय द लॉ मेकर्स, or the lawmakers is a better word, and let them decide on this whether it needs an amendment or not. Don't suggest that it needs an amendment, but if these have to be addressed, there might be a need for amendment. You can't simply change the system. ठीक